everyone, and today another video that I'm going to make, and this video is entitled The Impact of COVID-19 Towards Our Society. So without further ado, let's start.
Okay, so before I will dive into my topic, let us know what are the learning outcomes for this video. So the first one is
Activate prior knowledge where it all started, specifically about the coronavirus. The students will learn to control and prevent COVID-19. Next is the students will use their critical thinking skills to identify the facts about the coronavirus. Students will know how the government reacts of coronavirus. Okay, so know about COVID-19. Coronavirus or the COVID-19 is an illness caused by a virus that can spread from person to person. The virus that causes COVID-19 is a new coronavirus that has spread throughout the world. COVID-19 symptoms can range from mild or no symptoms to severe illness. Now, how did the government respond for this COVID-19 or the pandemic?
the government reaching goal is to safeguard of people's lives and health and to secure the healthcare capacity. The Philippine government mounted a multi-sectoral responses to the COVID-19 through the Interagency Task Force on Emerging Infectious Disease by the Department of Health. Through the National Action Plan on COVID-19, the government aims to contain the spread of COVID-19 and mitigate its socio-economic impacts. As one of the government responses, they also give cash aids or the Social Amelioration Program. The Department of Social Welfare and Development is the agency responsible for the implementation of the National Government Social Amelioration Program or SAP, an emergency subsidy meant for indigent families affected by the COVID-19 pandemic and relevant quarantine issues. To continue, the efforts and decisions of the government aim to limit the spread of infection in the country. Next is to ensure that health and medical care resources are available, limit the impact of critical services, alleviate the impact on people and businesses, and also to ease concern, and lastly, implement the right measures at the right time. So what can we do to prevent COVID-19? So I have here 12 tips to prevent COVID-19, and most of these you are familiar. So the first one is wash your hands frequently and carefully. So use soap and rub hands for at least 20 seconds. Work lather to your wrist between your fingers and under your fingernails. You can also use antibacterial and antiviral soap. Second, avoid touching your face. Avoiding touching any part of your face, just like your head, nose, mouth, and also avoid biting your fingernails. The third one, stop shaking hands and hugging people. Don't share personal items just like phones, makeups, combs, and whatsoever. Another, cover your mouth and nose when you cough and sneeze. So you have to use tissues or sneeze into your elbow to keep your hands as clean as possible. And also, wash your hands carefully after you sneeze or cough. The sixth one, clean and disinfect surfaces. So use alcohol-based disinfectants to clean hard surfaces in your home, just like countertops, door handles, furniture, and others. The seventh one, take physical or social distancing seriously. Next is do not gather in groups, avoid eating or drinking in public places, wash fresh groceries, and the most importantly, wear mask and face shields. And the last one, self-quarantine if sick. So that's all for my vlog, and I hope you learned something from me. See you in my next video.